Months ago, Joe Biden handed us a mess. We inherited the legacy of record high inflation, the highest inflation in the history of our country. They say the fake news. What's another fake news? No, the fake news said it's 48 years. I remember. Recently, I said the highest inflation in the West. I still
Mr. Rose, do you have any idea what she's done to me?
What'd she do?
She's using me for her daughter to be disappeared from her.
Oh, it is? Is that what happened?
Yeah, she thinks her daughter likes it that way.
Oh,
I love you, Amanda. You're my daughter. And I love you too, Jessica. You're my daughter too.
I hope she's okay. You know, she's talking.
Okay.
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 Can you draw a picture of,
Myself, yes.
or how about anybody else? You like to draw a picture of somebody else too?
Yeah, but I never draw myself before.
Oh, okay. Yourself is beautiful. I want you to know.
Thank you.
Draw yourself on your screen.
This is the first drawing of mine. I don't know how many years it's been. Probably been over 30 years. I knew I was his sister. I just thought I turned into Amanda when I was born again. In 1989. Oh, you thought you turned into Jessica Rose's sister when 1989 happened? Yeah, I thought I died and became another person. Oh, that's what you thought. Still the same. Yeah, I thought you were Rose also, but I didn't know you were Michelle. I didn't know it either. Nice try, trying to make it wrong. That's not. I just didn't know my family was very, is what it said.
That's not true.
I know you guys. Okay. I just don't know why you hate Obama.
Obama?
Yeah, Barack. Do you hate him?
I don't.
You don't?
I just don't know him, but I don't hate him.
Oh, you don't know him, but you don't know.
That's all it is.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
I didn't know if your dad hated him.
I don't know, but hate's a sin in Cupid world.
Yeah, I know that.
We love everyone, no matter what their background is. No matter what their background. Love.
The haircut.
No.
I draw the. Oh, better. Yeah, that don't look like you exactly, but you do have chestnut eyes, though. Yeah, I know. look like me, even though I tried to make it look like me. I don't even know what I look like. I'm blacker hair than that. This don't look like me. I'll just call it the 100-year-old lady that don't look like me. Isn't that wonderful? I don't look like her.
Isn't that a blessing?
It
Yeah.
means I'm young.
Yes, you are.
I'm a young black lady. That's why I don't look like her. Oh, that's what's so special about this picture. It makes you look older than what you are. Well, that's great.
Did you have to mention gas, Mom?
Yeah.
Mom,
So,
why did you
why
mention
make
gas all of a
yourself
sudden?
older
I'm
looking?
having gas.
Mom, is it
To
gone?
show that I'm still young
Completely?
right now.
Is it completely gone, the gas?
Yeah.
I can be old and young at any time. I'm still young.
That's right.
Because my hair don't look scraggly like that, but I'm still pretty even if it's dead. Oh, you're still a pretty woman even then. Later in the future, if that is me. But I'm pretty now.
Yes, you are. Really pretty.
Now and in the future.
Mhm.
The future of a black woman is pretty now and pretty later on. Okay, I hate you for that, Michelle. What do you do? You see, my, yeah, it kind of matches my eye, the birthmark. I had one over here, but I removed it. I only have one now on my right, under my right eye. I have the birthmark there, yes. But I had one on my left too. But I don't have it anymore. I took it off. I could do it with the right too, but I don't want to because it might run my thoughts into it. So it's still on my right, but not on my left. Might be a scar.
I get scars too. I just don't pay
I
attention
somehow
to
got it off the scar tissue of my chestnut brown birthmark.
I don't worry about it because
No,
it stays. It's hard.
it hurt, but I did it because I was upset with not knowing myself. I really am.
Glad you're alright. God bless.
I was afraid I lost myself in another realm. I'm still alive.
You didn't lose.
I just thought I did. I thought it was a man of rose all this time, but not.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know you didn't know you're black. You welcome would have told you if you. I did. I said I'm a man of rose, and you didn't answer to say whether I won. Oh, you're a black woman? Yes, I'm not a man of rose. I told him that, but he assured me that I was still. Because I hate you. You took my place. Amanda said. No, I didn't. I didn't take her place. She took mine. And claimed me as her, too. There are 2 hers and 0 me.
Bless
She
you,
took
Mom.
my
Thank you, Justin. Let's get ready for bed.
There are
Not be
2
depressed.
Amandas and 0
Are we
Michelles.
gonna be acting depressed though?
1 Michelle that's been kicked out of her kingdom of Michelle. 2 Amandas and 1 Michelle that's not Amanda.
Yes,
Oh, then it's actually me that's been kicked out, not Amanda.
it's Michelle's a character.
Oh, you think I'm a character?
No, Michelle, I don't know.
You think I'm a character just because
No,
I'm not
of course
Amanda?
not.
It's not you, okay?
Then why are you calling me not me and Amanda as all my names?
Okay, you are yourself. You're beautiful.
Michelle.
Okay. You're alright.
Does
Okay.
that look like Amanda to you, a black woman?
Okay.
Has kinky black hair?
I didn't know. Mom didn't know.
No.
Oh, we didn't know, right, Mom?
Right.
Sorry.
You're Amanda Sue Rose.
No, I'm not. I'm Michelle. I have black hair, not brown hair.
I just get
Okay.
confused.
Okay,
Sorry. I see.
right now, why don't we get ready for
Brown.
bed?
It's always been black. And my eyebrows always been black. My brown eyes has always been chestnut, not brick brown like Amanda's.
Why are you being this way, Amanda?
I'm chestnut brown hair, and you won't believe me because you don't care about me.
You're a beautiful woman.
Yes, I'm Michelle Obama.
Oh, Michelle Obama.
Now, Michelle, Miss Michelle.
I think, are you gonna get ready for bed, Jessica? I think the clothes are dry.
I'm not Michelle Obama.
Can I get cleaned up?
Yeah.
Not Michelle Obama. Michelle Rose. I'll have to tell you that the other Michelle married Sanderford and I married Honeysuckle.
Oh,
That's because I'm the oldest. She's the youngest. The other Michelle. I think that's what it is. That looks like you? And you look.
you're beautiful, okay?
That's a good drawing, though.
It's you're an artist.
Who does this look like?
Well, let's see. As I look at it, Amanda looks a little bit like you, but you're prettier than that picture.
Yeah, but who does this black woman resemble? A white woman or a black woman?
Okay.
Looks
Is it
like
a-
a white woman to me.
Yeah.
You're prejudiced because this is a
It's
black
black.
woman. I use black markers.
Oh,
Mom
okay,
is
I'm
not
sorry.
looking at it
You're
right.
I just saw the black hair, you know.
Yeah, but it's white, black woman. It's a fully black woman, African American black woman.
Oh, okay, it's pretty.
I used
Gotcha.
all black skin color types to make this black woman.
Okay, did a good
It looks
job.
like me, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay, yeah.
Then I'm black if this is me.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'm not white.
now I
I'm
think
black.
about it, it doesn't look like you.
It does. I have chestnut brown eyes like her.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I have black
Right.
eyebrows like her.
How about that?
I'm
I
black
like
hair
that
like her.
drawing in color.
I like
Didn't
it
she
too.
do good?
It looks like me and Santa Claus overslept.
That Amanda was like an
Because I
artist.
made
Yes.
myself look like Santa Claus almost.
Don't forget to put the date on the back of it because that looks, you know, that's pretty. Pretty
Beautiful.
neat. You're an artist, Amanda. That's really good.
I don't know what to name it.
Well, whatever you feel like naming it, but put the date on the back of it, okay? Wow, she's been busy. Look at all that paintings.
Oh wow.
Amanda's been really busy, haven't you?
Beautiful.
Now let's be
It
happy.
looks like the real me.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, I know that. I'm
Yeah.
black.
Karen's the
It's okay.
dark complected too, my sister, and so is Hannah. How
That's what
about
I'm
that?
gonna name it.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. You're beautiful. And you're beautiful too, Jessica. So, yeah, you can go ahead and get cleaned up.
Okay.
Whoa, is it like a blizzard out there now, baby? Yeah, we're gonna have a weird night. Hey, you made the bed. Thanks, dear. Have a weird night. Just go ahead and get cleaned up if you want to. Get the clothes on Friday.
Can you bring the clothes?
Yeah, I will do that. I will. What if they just started or been on? Was yeah, in Iowa? It must be daylight over there, huh?
This is
Getting ripped off by other countries on trade. I'm standing up for the workers and the farmers of our country like no other president has ever. No other president. I mean, no other president. Like an ACC presidency. I probably have this little piece of ear back, you know. I wouldn't have to listen to lunatics like this up there. I wouldn't have to listen to that guys. Boy, they're good here. Do we love our law enforcement? They work very good. But
Are you ready to go to bed? You almost done, honey? Get ready for bed? I'm not gonna be. Don't you enjoy painting and doing what you're doing? Instead of making a spectacle over it?
By a
Oh,
staggering
wow.
77%. How about that?
Jessica, here. There's your clothes. Just all I can
Nobody's
find.
ever seen that.
They don't work?
Slash your trade deficit.
You have underoos?
Oh, no, no.
I'll look around.
I did something else. Favorite nations. We now are paying the lowest price anywhere in the world for drugs. In other words, matching favorite nations. Almost favorite nations. Every other president tried to work. They didn't try very hard. They didn't get anything. I got it done. I got all the nations to agree. You think that was easy? I said, if you don't agree, we're going to put tariffs on you. They said, we agree. We agree. So you'll have a pill that costs $10, as an example, costs $10 in London, costs $130 in Des Moines. Now it's going to cost $20. Think of it. You'll go from $130 down to, it's the biggest price reduction of prescription drugs in history. And it would have a huge impact on your health care. I was very proud of it. And you know, the fake news, I can't get them to talk about it. Think of it. I got the biggest price reduction in history on drugs, pharmaceuticals. I can't get these guys to talk about it. It was page like 22 in the New York Times. So I just got the biggest. I can't believe it. If a Democrat got a half a point down, this is like hundreds of, depending on the way you want to calculate it. You could say it's an 80% reduction, or you could say it's 1,000% reduction. You could say whatever you want, but it's the biggest reduction in history by many, many times. They did something because we were subsidizing the entire world. We were paying 10 times, in many cases, more money than the rest of the world. And I said it wasn't fair. And I got it done. And everyone said you did. They said, you'll never get other countries to agree. They said, yeah. I said, yes, I will. They said, you'll never get the other
I may
countries to
not
agree. I got the
understand
drug
how
companies.
to
That was
vote.
not easy. But that's okay. They even
Do you look
will agree to it.
Well, I'm still looking for underwear, Jessica.
You gotta double the price of your
watch the whole bunch on tomorrow, but I look at
my sister with his glasses. What the hell was that
That's
all
all I
about?
can do, okay?
But anyway, but I got that.
Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait on that.
Bottom line, I said I'm gonna increase tariffs by 25%. I'm gonna charge you 25% tariff if you don't do it. They said, we will do it. We will be, why don't you ask? We'd love to do it.
Jessica, here.
Get something done to do what the president could have done.
Here, take them away.
Oh, I see. 'Cause you didn't know you were
Get ready
black
for
all the
bed
time.
instead of
Yeah.
because you're beautiful. You don't want to torture yourself. That's crazy. Don't do it, man. For one thing, you're beautiful.
Beautiful black.
I realize it.
A beautiful black woman.
And don't be talking to somebody else that's not
But I
here.
made new fair trade deals with countries covering half of all U.S. trade.
You are dark complected, and so is Karen and Anna. Something like that. And then Mary was dark complected too.
You do know they're paid agitators, right? They're paid. They get paid. You ever see their signs? You know, we used to have protests, they didn't have guys making a sign in a basement.
Somehow these
These
white,
are all paid agitators. That's
so
all.
black.
They get
Yeah,
paid.
how about that? I've seen
They don't even know
darker
when they interview,
black
why
people
are you
go,
here?
haven't you?
I don't know. They have no
It's
idea.
darker.
Black.
They're paid insurrectionists, really, in some
Oh,
cases.
white.
They're sickos. But I've made new fair
You've got a lot
trade
of
deals with
Indian blood
countries
in you too.
covering half of all U.S. trade, scoring
You know that?
giant
So
wins
does
in the farmers'
Grandma.
ranches.
What do you think of Grandma Crowley?
No other
Yeah, you
president.
do.
That's why
You should have seen her with real long hair. A young picture of her.
I didn't look.
She looked like you, honey.
So Japan
I forgot about this.
will now allow the United States to supply up to 100% of automobile ethanol.
Sandy, Karen's got dark brown eyes.
Are they brick brown?
Yeah, I believe so. Do we have to be
If
skeptical?
they're brick brown, they're white people's eyes.
Why do we have to be skeptical about each
Not all
other?
black people have brick brown eyes.
Okay, how about that?
But I don't have it. I'm black.
How about that? We don't worry about the
I
colors
have
of our skin.
darker eyes than your family.
I would say this. We don't worry about the
My
colors
eyes
of
are
ours.
chestnut brown. They're not brick brown like your mom.
It's probably the same as Hannah then.
What,
You know
she's
that?
black too?
No, of course not.
Then I'm the only black person in the family.
How about that? We love each other.
Black is
It doesn't
beautiful.
matter what color we are.
That's the real color of my lips.
Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia, or live in
I'm a
any
black
country
girl, that's why. I'm not wearing lipstick.
agricultural.
Now, why are you getting all skeptical over it? Because you're beautiful. We're all beautiful.
I'm not wearing lipstick though. Look,
Isn't that neat?
I never wear lipstick all the time.
That's why it's you're special.
Look, I'll prove it to you.
And to further help our farmers recover from
Remember how neat that is, your lips?
the back years.
Are you gonna go nuts or something?
I don't have red lips.
You're my daughter. Your lips look beautiful.
I'm black.
That's why it's beautiful that you don't have to always wear lipstick all the time. Even the cats are trying to get
Jennifer
understand.
Lopez's deceased daughter in her mind. Because she don't believe in life still, that's why.
Okay, well, we're gonna be all hyper.
Jennifer loves huge.
Oh wow. Get ready to go to bed, Justin. Well, don't be mad at nobody. Get it?
I said, Brooke, what's the number?
Be happy.
And
How
she
you
said
met her?
$12 million, and I wrote a check for $12 million because we have so much money from the terrorists.
Kind of got the vacuum door.
Let's get ready for bed. You just keep snow and everything and that's on me. Don't do that.
Literally.
I love you. You're my
Come get your
daughter.
vacuum
Yes,
door.
it's my daughter too.
All right, I'm gonna watch last one.
Okay.
I had a watch hanging in the desk one time. But I forget it.
Hard to expand your.
I'll hold grudges.
That is sure is
The
pretty.
campaign, I promise to support E15.
Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Well, how about that?
Well, I'm your brother, whether you know it or not.
You are too? No, does that look like you? No. Let me look at it. No. I don't look like my mom, dad either. Does it matter? For crying out loud, are you an orphan too?
No.
Why
I happen to look like my ancestors, okay? And you do too.
I don't look like any of them.
Oh,
You look like your grandma,
yeah, I
right?
have to look for that picture of Hannah.
Kind of resembles your grandma. Really?
Dad,
Freaking weird.
tell us your driver's license, see if it looks like you. Driver's license, yes, it does, it shows the eye color and everything. Tell us your driver's license.
I've got a lot of brothers and sisters. Some of them have brown eyes, some of them have blue eyes. My mother had green eyes, all right?
Yes, and blonde hair.
Some are blonde haired, some are brown haired, some are black haired. We're all the same family.
And wreck and all kinds of stuff in this kind of weather.
Don't be stupid.
For crying out loud. I don't know
You're
what,
acting stupid.
but I pray that you snap out there. Crazy. Okay?
Let me keep this short and to the point, because if you miss this, you're gonna kick yourself.
Are you all right, Christy?
I have me drawn this stupid picture of myself. And it says, hello. I'm black today, tomorrow. A repeat of my life.
Ugh.
Am I repeating?
I just haven't
It's only 8 degrees outside. Not a good night to be acting up. That's what you're doing, you're acting up.
Your poncho you got there. That pretty poncho. Here, I wanna mind you.
This flashpoint's acting up again, grumble. Keep that door closed, don't pass there.